I've been asked a few times recently how to paint over a patch like this, particularly from viewers that have watched my how to fix a dent in the wall or how to fix a hole in the wall videos. So I've got a strategy that is probably quite helpful for those of you that don't have all the paint supplies and want to just do a really quick touch up, maybe just to get you through in the meantime, or maybe for a longer term solution. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. So we are going to grab an old sock. This is just a lost old sock. It looks a bit dirty. It has been washed, but it doesn't really matter because we're just going to scrunch it in a ball, and we are going to put a bit of paint on it. Make sure the paint is the same as your wall color. If you don't have a tin of this already somewhere in your house from, leftovers from when it was built, you can go and just get a really small sample pot in the correct wall color from any good hardware store that has a paint shop. So I've shown this previously using rollers, which is typically what I would do. But like I always like to do is show you alternative ways to do things that doesn't require you to buy expensive stuff. I'm just using my paint lid here rather than dipping it into a whole tin of paint. So I've given my paint a really good shake because I'm about to paint an entire room with it. But I'm just gonna dip it in this shallow bit and I'm just dabbing it around. I'm blending it with the rest of the wall, and I'm going to keep going with this technique until it is covered. Now right now it's standing out so much. One, because of the lighting in this room, but also because that wall is filthy, and while I did wash the area I'm working with, I probably need to wash the rest of the wall. But we will let this dry. I will come back when it's dry and show you what it looks like. So it's blended pretty well. Without painting an entire wall, it's done a pretty good cover up. My plan is to paint this whole wall, and when I do that, you won't even see it there.